Nothing beats a good soft layered and flaky chapatis, more so when served with this tasty coconut green gram curry, especially in this Lent period. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by, and I hope you benefit from this tutorial. On this video I'm going to take you through how to make these beautiful delicious soft layered chapatis without taking too much time. And I will also share some tips that will help you achieve soft and layered chapatis and say goodbye to those long hours of making chapatis, and also say goodbye to the crispy and danced chapatis. And make your chapatis like a pro. And I'm also going to take you through on how to make this delicious tasty green grams in coconut sauce from scratch. If you want to know how I made it, keep watching. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Let's make chapati dough. Adding salt and sugar in all-purpose flour, which will help balance the taste and which will also help the chapati to brown nicely. And mix it well. Go in with any oil of your choice. I prefer using this cooking fat. Using your hands, rub the cooking fat into flour until it dissolves well. And this is the first tip of making flaky and soft chapati. I'm going to add oil in 4 different stages. Make a well and go in with your water gradually as you need to form a soft dough. This is a second tip of making soft chapati. Don't use hot water. Once your dough has come together and a little bit sticky like this, add oil and knead it until it's nicely cooperated. And this is the second stage of oiling. And also this is a third tip of making soft chapatis. Adding oil at this stage while the dough is still sticky contributes to the softening of the chapatis. Knead it until it dissolves and the dough is not sticky anymore. Flour your worktop with some flour and then transfer the dough into the worktop. Knead it until it's super soft and stretchy. Guys, welcome back to another amazing recipes. And if you are clicking my video for the first time, feel welcome. And if you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing, like and watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. Oil your mixing bowl to prevent your dough from sticking in the bowl. Then transfer your dough in your mixing bowl and cover it with a damp kitchen towel and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's put the green grams to boil as we wait for the dough to relax. I'm using the split green grams or mung beans. These are already sorted and no need to wash. Just adding it in my pot, which is already filled with water, and I'll take it to my stove and bring it to boil until it's soft. Today I'm multitasking back to my chapati dough. It's been over 30 minutes and my chapati dough has relaxed. Once the gluten has relaxed, don't knead the dough again. So today I'm going to use this quick and easy method, which is going to lessen our time, and within minutes our chapati will be ready. Divide the dough into 2 pieces and work with each piece individually, and I will roll it flat into a big rectangular shape and ensure your worktop is well floured. I find this method so easy to work with and it saves me a lot of time. Unlike the other method of rolling into balls, then again rolling each dough individually. Oh no, this is the bomb. Once done, apply the oil into your dough, and this is the third stage of using oil. Using your hands or whichever method or brush, spread the oil evenly and then roll it in from the edge to the last. And this is the fourth tip of making layered chapatis. This is how we create layers. Ensure it's nicely sealed, then cut it into your desired sizes. Flour the surface where you are going to place them, then pick each dough and tuck it in like that and keep it aside until all the dough is done. We'll repeat this with the remaining half until all the dough is done, then cover with the kitchen towel to prevent them from drying out. Now it's time to roll out our dough and fry them. So it's always good to at least roll out some few pieces before heating your pan so that when you start frying it, it will give you easy work. Guys, if you watch the video up to this point, I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing For more amazing recipes like this, press the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you will be among the first to get notified. Thank you for the support. After rolling some few pieces, warm your pan. I'm going to use my granite skillet. It seems so light, but it's so good. If you want to make good chapatis, invest in a good pan. That is another tip. I mean, heavy pan. I will warm my chapati dough on a low medium heat, and then once you see it's puffing up like that, just flip on the other side. Then apply the oil on the side that has been warmed, and this is the last stage and the fourth stage of applying the oil. And this also will make our chapati so soft. Once you have applied the oil, adjust your flame to medium or less you want your chapati to be hard and cracky. So this is how the chapati comes out soft without using the same temperature. And it will brown nicely, as you can see. The first one was just to cook it, and then now this one is giving it a nice brown color, and you can even see the flaky, and the layers are formed nicely. Look at it, so beautiful. So my next method is the easiest and the fastest way of making chapati. The other one I was just showing beginners. So in this method, we are going to warm all our rolled out chapati doughs, then we're going to oil them at once. So using this method makes you save energy and also time. As in, like warming them, we will use the low heat, then once you start oiling them, you adjust the heat to medium, and that is once and for all until all the chapatis are done. When frying, just apply oil on the top. Don't use a lot of oil. Remember, we've used oil in different stages. Look at that chapati. You see the way it puffs up? Now that is the layers. Or should I call it pages? Yani kitabu. So nice. Once the other side, one side is brown, flip the other side and place another dough on top of it and apply the oil. Flip it and remove the fried one and set aside and ensure it's covered with a kitchen towel to retain the moist and also to keep it warm. So beautiful. So this will continue until all the chapatis are done. Guys, if you watch this video up to this point, I believe maybe if you had a challenge in making chapatis, and I know after watching this video, you are going to better your skills and you're going to make the best chapati, even more than mine. And if you happen to try this recipe, kindly don't forget to bring back your feedback. And I hope at this point you have given me a thumbs up. And for those who haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. The chapatis are well done, so soft, nicely brown. Look at it, no struggle. Look at the pages, the layers. Wow, wow, so beautiful and delicious, of course. Now let's make our green grams curry. My green grams has been boiling for almost 1 hour. It's ready now for frying. So in a separate saucepan, I'm going to add some oil. This is a leftover oil I used in frying chapati. Once the oil is ready, I'll go in with my chopped onions. Saute for a minute, then I'm going in with my garlic and ginger paste. Stir it until it has sweat a little. Don't let it brown. And go in with your seasoning flavors and saute until it's nice and fragrant. And going in with tomato puree and give it a good mix until it's well done. Add in all-purpose seasoning flavor. All the ingredients and their exact measurements are listed in the description box. First, the tomatoes are thickened. Add in water and give it a stir to combine well. Then go in with your boiled green grams. I'm going to use half of it. The remaining I'll keep in the freezer for later use. Stir it to combine well. Then I'll go in with my coconut cream. I'm just adding that small packet and give it a nice stir. At this point, reduce your heat and stir it occasionally. And my green grams is ready. I'm just going to add in grated carrot, which will help to reduce the gas in the green grams. We all know green grams is acidic, so I like adding grated carrot in my green grams to help with bloating. So I'm going in with some capsicum or bell pepper. Give it a stir to mix well. And at this point, my dengue is ready. As you can see, just turn off the stove and garnish it with some coriander, and you're good to go. You can enjoy it right away with your soft layered chaparis. It was nice having you around. Thanks for watching the video up to this point. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.